In this video, we'll show you how to buy a new virtual algo space on uTrade Algos. First, log in to uTrade Algos and go to Manage Brokers. Under Connected Brokers, select the broker for which you want to buy a new algo space. Open the broker page and click Buy an Algo Space. You'll be redirected to the Virtual Algo Space billing page. Alternatively, you can buy an algo space from the available brokers section. Choose your broker and click Setup. Then, on the right side of the broker card, click Manage Algo Space and select Buy an Algo Space. You'll then be redirected to the Virtual Algo Space billing page. On the right side, click New Space. Now, select a plan based on your requirements, monthly or quarterly. Once you've selected your plan, click Pay. You'll be redirected to the payment page where you can choose your preferred payment method such as UPI, card, EMI, pay later or wallet. In this video, we'll make the payment using the card option. Enter your card number, expiry date and CVV. Then click Continue. Your payment will now be processed. Enter the OTP you received to confirm the payment. Once the payment is successful, your new virtual algo space will be purchased and the provisioning process will begin. Click Go to Algo Space. Your algo space may take around 3 to 5 minutes to provision. Once it's ready, your virtual IP address will be issued. Now, return to the Connected Brokers page and open the broker you want to connect. Select the newly issued IP address and click Confirm. Your virtual algo space is now connected to your broker. Next, click Relogin for the broker. Log in to your broker account using your client ID or registered mobile number. Enter your password, then complete the verification using your TOTP or OTP. And once the authentication is successful, your algo space IP will be mapped to your broker account and ready to use.